Right now, many YouTube creators are worried. Videos all over the platform are saying that YouTube is broken, the algorithm changed, and creators are losing their views. Some of these videos have hundreds of thousands of views and make it sound like YouTube is falling apart. But this kind of panic is not new. Some experienced creators say they have seen this same situation happen many times before. Every few years, people claim YouTube is dying because of a new update. Then everyone starts worrying again. The truth is that a few real changes did happen recently, but many people are misunderstanding them. Let's look at the real reasons. 1. The YouTube homepage changed. The first change happened on the YouTube homepage. Years ago, the homepage showed about 30 long videos at once. Now it shows only about 3 to 6 long videos, while shorts take up a lot of space. This does not mean the algorithm stopped working. YouTube is still recommending videos based on what viewers like to watch. The difference is that there are fewer spots for long videos, so competition is stronger. If a video was only good enough before, it might not get recommended anymore. 2. A problem with ad blockers. Another issue happened because of ad blockers. In August 2025, some ad blocking tools accidentally blocked part of YouTube's system that counts views. This meant many people were watching videos, but the views were not being recorded correctly. This mostly affected computer users, not phones or TVs. The problem lasted about a month before it was fixed. During that time, some creators saw their computer views drop by almost 50%, even though people were still watching 3. YouTube is removing low-quality AI content. YouTube is also taking action against low-quality AI videos. Recently, the platform removed billions of views from channels that were posting large amounts of low-effort AI content. Some of those channels were even deleted completely. YouTube says improving content quality is now one of their top goals. This means videos that feel automated, copied, or low effort may not perform as well anymore. 4. Old shorts are getting fewer. Views. The fourth change affects YouTube Shorts. YouTube now focuses more on new shorts instead of old ones. If a short is older than about a month, it might not get recommended very much anymore. This is similar to how platforms like TikTok work, where new content is always pushed first. Creators who depended only on shorts for views are seeing their traffic drop because their older shorts are no longer spreading as much. Why some channels were hurt. Many channels that lost views had a few common problems. Their audience came mostly from shorts. Their long videos were not strong enough. They depended too much on homepage recommendations. Now that fewer videos appear on the homepage, only the strongest content gets attention. What creators should focus on? Instead of worrying about rumors, creators should focus on the basics. Create strong thumbnails and titles so people want to click. Make videos that keep viewers watching until the end. Understand who your audience is. Build a channel with long-form content, not only shorts. Quality matters more than ever. A new opportunity for creators. There is also some good news. YouTube recently added a search filter that lets viewers choose between shorts and long videos. This means people who want deeper, longer videos can find them more easily. Creators who make high-quality long videos may actually benefit from this change. The truth about YouTube changes. Big YouTube updates happen all the time. Every time they do, people panic. But the creators who focus on improving their content usually continue growing. Instead of chasing algorithm tricks, successful creators build real skills and strong connections with their audience. And in the long run, those creators are the ones who stay.